Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Roborock Qrevo Edge. If you're interested in the Edge or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So this is different from a complete factory reset. This is just a simple power cycle, turning the unit off and then back on. It's just going to help you reboot the unit if you have any issues you're encountering and you want to just give it a power cycle. So first things first, we know our unit is on. We have our power button blinking right here. It's illuminating, does a little flash every once in a while. So our unit's on. So this is the power button. We just need to press and hold down the power button for a couple of seconds.
Turning off.
It said turning off, so I'm going to let go. The lights are still on. They're solid white. You can see those lights there. We'll give it a second to turn off. Okay, the unit just shut off. That's great. We'll give it a second. Then the reboot, the restart will be complete. Now we're going to press the power button again. The light just came on, so I'm going to let go. And now it's going to boot back up. Got the startup music. And we're on our way with our vacuum turned back on.